Welcome back to Trend Cars, the channel where we take you inside the world's most fascinating and future-shaping vehicles. If you love innovation on wheels, you're in the right place because today we're diving into a luxurious masterpiece that takes the idea of traveling in style to a whole new level. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a creation that merges the unmatched engineering of Mercedes-Benz with the comfort and grandeur of a five-star hotel on wheels. Buckle up, because this journey is going to be unforgettable. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is its commanding yet elegant presence. The exterior design is a blend of sleek, aerodynamic lines and the bold stance you'd expect from a high-end luxury coach. The signature Mercedes grille sits proudly at the front, illuminated with the iconic star emblem that glows at night, making sure everyone knows you've arrived in something special. The LED matrix headlights have been designed not just for maximum visibility, but to give the front end a futuristic, almost spaceship-like aura. The body is constructed with a mix of lightweight aluminum and reinforced carbon composites, ensuring durability while optimizing fuel efficiency. Even though it's a large vehicle, Mercedes engineers have crafted it with the same attention to aerodynamics as their luxury sedans, reducing drag and improving handling. The result is a motorhome that glides smoothly on highways while maintaining impressive stability in different terrains. Step inside, and you'll immediately realize this is not just a motorhome, it's a luxury residence on wheels. The interior design draws inspiration from Mercedes-Maybach styling, with premium leather upholstery, handcrafted wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents. Ambient lighting, fully customizable in both color and intensity, creates the perfect mood whether you're relaxing after a long drive or hosting friends for dinner on the road. The layout has been meticulously planned to maximize comfort and functionality. At the front, the driver's cockpit is a showcase of advanced technology. A wide curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, integrating navigation, entertainment, climate control, and vehicle status in a seamless interface. The MBUX Hyperscreen AI system learns your preferences over time, offering personalized suggestions for music, routes, and even interior lighting. Voice control is more intuitive than ever. You can adjust almost anything by simply speaking naturally. Behind the cockpit is a lounge area that feels like a living room in a luxury penthouse. Plush reclining seats with massage, heating, and cooling functions ensure you travel in ultimate comfort. A hidden 65-inch 8K smart TV rises from the console at the touch of a button, turning the lounge into a private cinema. Surround sound from a custom Burmester audio system delivers an experience that rivals high-end home theaters. The kitchen area is a dream for those who love to cook on the road. It's equipped with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, steam oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. All appliances are powered by an advanced solar and battery system, meaning you can enjoy full functionality without relying solely on external hookups. Moving toward the rear, you enter the master suite, a tranquil retreat with a king-size bed, premium memory foam mattress, and panoramic windows for breathtaking morning views. The bed frame has integrated storage, and the suite also features a walk-in closet, something almost unheard of in motorhomes. The en-suite bathroom is pure luxury, with a rainfall shower, marble finishes, heated flooring, and a smart mirror that can display news, weather, or your travel itinerary. Mercedes-Benz has also prioritized sustainability and self-sufficiency. The 2026 motorhome comes with a hybrid powertrain option, combining a high-torque diesel engine with an electric motor for improved efficiency and reduced emissions. The roof is covered with high-efficiency solar panels, feeding power into a state-of-the-art lithium battery system that can keep the motorhome running off-grid for days. Water recycling technology helps extend fresh water supplies, making it perfect for extended adventures in remote locations. Safety, as always with Mercedes, is top tier. The vehicle includes the latest generation of driver assistance features, adaptive cruise control with AI-assisted lane keeping, automated parking for tight spots, collision avoidance systems, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode that can take over during long stretches of highway travel. Cameras provide a full 360-degree view, making maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly stress-free. On the road, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is unlike any other. Thanks to its adaptive air suspension, it soaks up bumps effortlessly, giving you a ride that feels closer to a luxury sedan than a motorhome. The hybrid powertrain delivers smooth acceleration, and the electric motor can handle short city trips quietly and without emissions. Mercedes hasn't just created a motorhome, they've built a mobile lifestyle experience. Whether you're traveling cross-country, camping in the wilderness, or exploring the coast, every detail has been designed to make your journey as enjoyable as the destination. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about redefining what it means to travel. It's the freedom of the open road, paired with the comfort, technology, and elegance that only Mercedes-Benz can deliver. For those who want to explore the world without sacrificing luxury, this is the ultimate expression of that dream. If you've ever imagined taking the luxury of a 5-star suite and putting it on wheels, Mercedes-Benz has made that vision a reality in 2026. The future of travel is here, and it's waiting for you to take the driver's seat. If you enjoyed this inside look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trend Cars for more exclusive, deep dives into the world's most innovative vehicles. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving far.